Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We hope the new year is treating you right. Unfortunately, that's not the case for everyone, because in today's video, we're going to look at the car crash compilation captured through the eyes of Dashcam. But before we move any further, make sure that you give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to get more video updates like this. Now let's continue. It would be great if people started using their brakes. What did the poor tree do to deserve that? Why can't people take red lights more seriously? In what universe would someone think it's okay to take a turn like that? We feel so terrible about this one. The poor baby.
You want this song?
Well, the taxi driver should have stayed home. We wonder what part of the road rule was confused about here. Whoa, that car flipped really smoothly. What on earth would let you make such a stupid decision? This driver needs his eyes checked and should hand in his license. That's what happens when you act too impatient. This driver must have left his brain at his house. One thing is clear, so many of the drivers in these videos really need to learn the basics. We need to ask the authorities how these people get licenses. The driver was lucky nothing bad happened though. These types of drivers should hand in their licenses immediately. They're a danger to society. The driver was perhaps on the phone and not looking through the windscreen. If you're going to play with such big vehicles, then you're always going to lose.
Everywhere. You got this on Dashcam. You can't post this on Dashcam with my voice.
Oh, you crashed!
Oh my gosh!
He is.
Call the cops.
That doesn't seem like an accident. We think this driver intentionally ran the red light. The driver was one heck of a loser for causing such havoc on the road.
Just ran a red. Oh my god!
Wait.
I think he's drunk.
You think?
I feel like he might be drunk. Oh my god, I got that on Dashcam. I'm gonna
Take
check
a
on the
picture. Hang
dash.
on, wait. Don't get too close to
Why?
him. Don't get close because he can hit you in the back.
Oh my god. Is this some? Oh my god. Is he gonna do a runner?
Is that cop?
Oh my god, what the fuck? No. What the fuck?
That looks like a great trailer. We wonder when the movie's coming out.
Hey!
We saw that in plain sight.
We watched this like 20 times and still don't get what just happened. Just goes to show how important it is to know the basic road rules. Unfortunately, there are too many people who have a license but have no clue how to drive, which endangers other people's lives. The more we watch this, the more we get mesmerized by the fact how stupid that was. Sick and tired of people who blindly drive as if they have no eyes. This couldn't have gone any more wrong.
Oh my god, they just hit it. Holy fucking Jesus.
What happened?
Someone just... I gotta go. I think I have to call the cops.
Okay, alright. Call me back.
Okay, love you, bye.
Alright, love you, bye.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how blind do you have to be to cause this? The way these people don't seem to take accountability for their actions is downright outrageous. Getting your eyes checked should be a requirement before getting a license. If he had paid a bit of attention on the road, then we're sure things would have turned out differently for everyone. This driver was either too busy to pay attention to the road, or crashed the other vehicle deliberately. The truck must be invisible, that's why the car rammed into it so effortlessly. We don't see any snow on the road, then why did the car lose its balance? The more surprising thing than the crash was the speed with which the lady started running on the road. That's what you get for playing silly games. Silly prizes. That must be a great lesson for that impatient driver. We would give an A for the lack of effort in stopping the car to avoid the accident. The car continued to drive as if nothing happened. Quite impressive. Cereal packets should stop giving people licenses. We don't think the driver was in his senses. This is absolutely pathetic. We think they were driving with their eyes closed because otherwise, wouldn't they try to avoid hitting a vehicle in front of them? The driver is lucky that the situation did not get any worse. We don't think the car driver did the right thing here. He was equally wrong. For such a low-speed crash, that rollover was pretty wild. That brings us to the end of this video. What do you guys think? Tell us in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, take care and goodbye.